many ways, the film industry, I hate to use the word Bollywood, the film industry in Bombay, the Hindi film industry, also has a lot of respect and tehzeeb for the seniors. Do you think times are changing? Do you think the respect quotient in many ways is diminishing because there's more proximity, there's more closeness? Where do you see the film industry from where you look at it?
Well, I think that, I have come from a generation that explained and I would say made me respect people in a certain manner. So I think it's the way you show respect has definitely evolved and changed, because the younger generation just show it very differently through their words and through their actions. Whereas when I was a child, I remember my father taking me to a film party, and he said, if I say this is my son, you shake his hand. If I say ye mera beta hai, you touch their feet. So I was just waiting for that cue right through. I was like almost on autopilot.
And what if there was a South Indian?
I don't know. I didn't get so technical then, but I do remember that was the way that you honored when I met Lata ji or I met Mr. Bachchan. It was just the way we showed our respect. The generation today does respect the seniors in the fraternity for sure. It's just a different way of showing it. I'm not sure. I get a bit shocked at times when I feel like the generation that is young and new, and they meet some legends very casually. They shake their hands. They have respect in their heart. It's just that we, I think, have been trained and tuned to kind of meet them in a certain way, which has definitely changed. But I think that, with time, I'm quite amazed with the way the generation operates. Because I think that, it takes a certain ease to not be overtly reverential and respectful. And that's not in my DNA, but it's in theirs. And I think with time, and with the excessive use of social media and I think everyone's about themselves and not about others. And we come from a generation that learns to applaud everybody else's work and not just fester within ourselves. And I think that has definitely changed. Well, I'm not sure I'm qualified to answer it.
No, I am. I don't have any that I know of.
I think just a simple observation, and I think I should have an answer very soon to that question, hopefully. But I think the one thing that just strikes me is very simple. I just wish parents would encourage their children to listen and not watch. Because I think, that's the big problem. I think people of the younger generation have stopped listening. They're just so absorbed by watching. And I think if you just listen to the sounds of life or just sounds of advice, there's so much to absorb.
Ma'am, this is the most fascinating question that could be asked in these times, and I don't mean to flatter you. I say it with all genuineness.
For more Bollywood updates, subscribe now to youtube.com/BiscutTV.